So I'm working on this car this week. Look at this. BMW M135i Xdrive. Absolutely stunning. It's absolutely stunning car. It's in absolutely pristine condition. Well, apart from the repair that I'm currently on the rear quarter. So we'll have a look at that in a minute, but first we'll have a little look in the car. So look at that in there. Look at them seats. They're absolutely lovely. I don't think I've had a car in the workshop with seats in as nice as this. So we'll have a look around the other side. So that's a quick look inside, and it is absolutely lovely. It really is nice. Looks like it's got a full Pan-Am roof on it as well. So we've had a look inside. We'll go around the back and have a look at the repair that I'm doing. So as you'll see, I had quite a nasty dent on this rear quarter panel, and I did get quite a satisfying pop when I pulled it out using the glue tabs. So you stick the glue tabs on and you use the glue tab slide hammer, and hopefully you can pop the dent out, and it did pop out quite easily. It popped out a lot easier than what I thought, to be honest, but there was a lot of extra damage around it. So this is in here. There's a few dings in there, there's a bit in there. It's got something going on here that I have panelled a bit better, and it's got a crease through there. So my next job is to pull that out with a weld-on dent puller, which I've got down here. But here's a quick look at what I've done so far. Let's check out that satisfying dent pop. So that's what I've got done so far on this one, and I'll be back with a full video on it soon. But in the meantime, don't forget to check out my other videos.